Ukrainians have really stepped up their night attacks on Russian strategic targets. Now a Russian military airfield is attacked in Adygea. Ukrainian drones attacked the Kanskaya military airfield, close to the city of Maykop. A fire was observed at the site. The village of Rodnikovi, adjacent to the airfield, is being evacuated. Local authorities reported, last night the outskirts of Maykop were attacked by enemy drones. There were no casualties or injuries. Special services and rescue teams are currently on the scene. The Kanskaya airfield is located about 6 kilometers northwest of Maykop, the capital city of the Republic of Adygea. Open sources indicate that it is home to the 272nd Training Aviation Base of the Krasnodar Higher Military Aviation School of Pilots. This airbase is listed as a training base, but thanks to fresh images on the Yandex map, we saw that now it is home to not only L-39 trainers, but also fully operational SU-34 bombers and SU-35 fighter escorts. The head of the Ukrainian Center for Countering Disinformation, Andrei Kovalenko, said that around 1,300 people were evacuated in Russia after Ukrainian drones hit the Kanskaya military airfield in Adygea overnight. A fuel and lubricant storage facility was likely destroyed, added Kovalenko. This Russians are filming the attack, and they seems terrified. It's not pleasant when someone is attacking your country, we guess.
They're coming for us in Maykop. To Kansk? Yes,
what
to
kind
Kansk.
of a loser would do this now? It's like we're on another planet. Sorry, I got sidetracked. Sensor, got other
Look.
gatherings.
Crazy.
You got your admiring, Kira.
I don't know what to do. My whole body is shaking.
To be continued.
Really shaking a lot. I don't know what to do. This is terrible.
No, anything will be done.
Now everything is working.
No, you fool, Sensor.
They laid hoses for water because they are afraid to fly close on helicopters. It's explosive. Video captured near the burning oil depot in Feodosia appeared online. The Russian Emercom notes that the fire will not be extinguished until all the fuel in the tanks burns out. This means that the refinery will continue to burn for several more days. The Fakivtsi unit of the 82nd Airborne Brigade is using drones for mining operations. As a cherry on top, they took out an armored car ZSTS Akhmat. Russian soldiers looted an apiary in an abandoned Ukrainian home. They felt completely okay to brag about that online.
This was Igor Nagod. Basically, we're looting, grabbing, honey. You got us some trouble. Yeah, that's tough. Didn't know, honey. Let him eat, it's fine. Why aren't you going after them? Grabbing. Oh, a motorcycle. Who wants it? Don't come near me. I'm not getting to no way. So, should I climb up?
European Parliament member from Germany, Moritz Kerner, demolished Hungarian dictator Viktor Orban on the floor of the parliament. Orban the Toad is a Kremlin puppet wreaking havoc and making the EU Parliament dysfunctional.
What a speech, Mr. Orban, what a speech. You say you want democracy and you brag about your majorities in the Hungarian parliament. Yet since years, you only rule by emergency decree. Are you so afraid of democracy, Mr. Orban? You say you are for national sovereignty, yet you invite Chinese policemen to surveil the people in your country. You say you want to stop migration, yet you let Russian spies into our Schengen system and call it national card. That is what you're doing. Mr. Orban, you are not a patriot. You are just a useful idiot of Russia and China. That's the reality.
And for the military porn, a mesmerizing flight of a AH-64 Apache, low over water.
Oh, man. Get it. Get it. Yeah, baby. Holy fuck. Yo. Oh man, get it, get it.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.